Who needs a V8? The 2026 Toyota Tundra's new V6 is making even the most stubborn V8 fans bow down. Now that the initial reliability issues have been solved, there is not a single reason to pick rivals with naturally aspirated V8s over the Tundra. Things become even more obvious with the updates Toyota has just introduced for the next year, so let's check everything out. Tundra's V6 makes V8s obsolete. For years, truck buyers believed bigger was better. 8 cylinders meant more power, more capability, more everything. But Toyota's 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 just shattered that myth completely. Let's look at the numbers that prove this small engine is making massive V8s look outdated. The Tundra's twin-turbo V6 produces 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Compare that to Ram's 5.7-liter Hemi V8, which delivers 395 horsepower but only 410 pound-feet of torque. Ford's 5.0-liter Coyote V8 puts out 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet. GM's 5.3-liter V8 manages just 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet. Even GM's larger 6.2-liter V8, which produces 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet, barely edges out the Tundra in power while falling short in efficiency. More importantly, the Tundra's peak torque arrives at just 2,400 RPM, while those V8s need to rev much higher to reach their peak output. Ram's Hemi delivers maximum torque at 3,950 RPM. Ford's Coyote peaks at 4,250 RPM. GM's engines hit their stride around 4,100 RPM. This means the Tundra's V6 provides maximum pulling power exactly when you need it most, during low-speed towing and off-road crawling. When you're hauling a heavy trailer up a steep grade, the Tundra is already delivering full torque while those V8s are still climbing toward their power band. This translates to better drivability, smoother acceleration, and more confident towing performance in real-world conditions. The efficiency advantages are equally impressive. The Tundra's V6 achieves 18 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway, compared to the Ram Hemi's 15 city and 22 highway or the GM 5.3-liter 17 city and 21 highway. That means the Tundra saves you money at every fill-up while delivering superior performance. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: reliability. Early third-generation Tundras faced significant engine issues that required Toyota to recall nearly 100,000 vehicles for complete engine replacements. That was an expensive lesson that threatened to undermine Toyota's legendary reputation for dependability. Therefore, Toyota has spent the last 2 years completely solving these problems. The company implemented comprehensive quality control improvements and engineering refinements that eliminated the root causes of those early failures. Current production Tundras have already benefited from these ongoing improvements, with the engine issues largely resolved through updated manufacturing processes and component specifications. Toyota's engineering teams worked to restore the dependable reputation that made the old 5.7-liter V8 so popular. While that naturally aspirated engine was outdated in terms of efficiency and emissions, its longevity set a standard that the new twin-turbo V6 needed to meet. The refined 2026 powertrain finally delivers on that promise. But here's what V8 advocates don't want to admit: those competing V8 engines aren't exactly bulletproof either. Ram's Hemi has faced issues with valve seat problems and oil consumption. Ford's Coyote has experienced timing chain stretch and oil pump failures. GM's engines have dealt with active fuel management problems and lifter failures. Every engine design has potential weak points, so claims about V8 superiority and durability simply don't hold up to scrutiny. Improved range. One of the biggest improvements for 2026 is the standardization of the larger 32.2-gallon fuel tank across all trim levels. Previously, some Tundra models came with a smaller tank that limited driving range. Now every Tundra gets the big tank, providing impressive range capabilities that rival any truck in the segment. With a twin-turbo V6's combined fuel economy of 20 miles per gallon, the Tundra can travel approximately 640 miles on a single tank. That's enough to drive from Los Angeles to San Francisco and back without stopping for fuel. Highway driving extends that range to roughly 741 miles, making the Tundra perfect for long-distance hauling and cross-country adventures. But the real range champion is the hybrid version. The iForce Max hybrid system combines the twin-turbo V6 with an electric motor to deliver 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. That's significantly more power than the standard engine, plus improved efficiency that makes every gallon go further. The hybrid achieves 22 miles per gallon combined with even better city fuel economy at 20 miles per gallon. Highway efficiency reaches 24 miles per gallon, which is remarkable for a full-size truck with this much capability. Combined with the 32.2-gallon tank, the hybrid Tundra can travel approximately 708 miles on a single fill-up. Highway driving extends that to an impressive 772 miles of range. This means the hybrid Tundra can haul heavy loads while delivering better range than most competitors can achieve empty. The electric motor provides instant torque that that's particularly beneficial during towing, giving you confident acceleration even when pulling maximum loads. It's proof that electrification can enhance capability rather than compromise it. TRD Pro Upgrades. The TRD Pro trim receives some exciting updates for 2026, starting with an exclusive new paint color called Wavemaker. This striking light blue finish is shared across Toyota's TRD Pro lineup, including the 4Runner, Tacoma, and Sequoia. It's a bold color that perfectly captures the adventurous spirit of the TRD Pro brand. But the biggest upgrade is the availability of isodynamic seats from the Tacoma TRD Pro. These aren't ordinary truck seats, they feature built-in shock absorbers that provide additional cushioning during off-road driving. The seats themselves absorb impacts and vibrations that would normally be transmitted to your body during aggressive off-road adventures. In the Tacoma, these seats take up significant space and can intrude on rear passenger room, but the Tundra's larger cabin provides enough space for the isodynamic seats without compromising rear seat comfort. This makes them a perfect fit for the full-size truck, providing maximum comfort during extended off-road expeditions. Finally, the TRD Rally package also gets significant upgrades for 2026. Previously, buyers had to choose between the TRD Rally package and serious off-road modifications. Now Toyota offers a TRD 3-inch lift kit and tow tech package that can be combined with the TRD Rally package for the ultimate off-road capability. New packages and features. The 2026 Tundra introduces several new packages and features that enhance both capability and convenience. The most significant addition is the availability of isodynamic seats on TRD Pro models, which we've already discussed. But there are plenty of other updates that improve the Tundra experience across the lineup. Platinum and 1794 edition models equipped with the TRD off-road package can now be ordered with power running boards. The SX package receives an important upgrade with new 20-inch wheels replacing the previous 18-inch units. This gives lower trim Tundras a more aggressive appearance while maintaining the value pricing that makes them attractive to budget-conscious buyers. Comfort improvements extend to rear passengers with new air vents on the rear center console of double cab models. These vents ensure better climate control for rear seat passengers, making the Tundra more comfortable for families. All grades with single-zone climate control now feature a smart flow management system that optimizes air distribution throughout the cabin. Every 2026 Tundra now comes standard with a tow hitch and 7 4-pin trailer connector. Previously, these were optional equipment that added to the overall cost. Making them standard equipment acknowledges that most Tundra buyers plan to use their truck for towing and eliminates the need to add these essential accessories after purchase. Comfort and convenience. The 2026 Tundra continues to excel in ride quality thanks to its advanced suspension design. The truck uses a sophisticated multi-link rear suspension that provides excellent control over rough surfaces while maintaining comfort on the highway. For limited grade and above, the cab is mounted to the frame with hydraulic mounts that further enhance ride comfort by isolating vibrations. This suspension tuning strikes an excellent balance between capability and comfort. The Tundra can handle serious off-road terrain and heavy towing loads while still providing a smooth, quiet ride that makes it suitable for daily driving. It's a level of refinement that sets the Tundra apart from competitors that sacrifice comfort for capability. Technology features are equally impressive across the lineup. Every Tundra comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which includes a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and automatic high beams. These features provide confidence and safety whether you're navigating city traffic or remote highways. The infotainment system features either an 8-inch or 14-inch touchscreen with crisp visuals and responsive touch functionality. The system includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, making smartphone integration seamless. Release date and pricing. The 2026 Toyota Tundra is launching soon, with pricing already announced across the complete lineup. Toyota has kept price increases modest, with most trim levels seeing only minor adjustments from the previous year. The entry-level SR double cab starts at $43,355, including destination, representing a $1,270 increase that reflects the additional standard equipment. The popular SR5 double cab is priced at $48,605, while the limited starts at $56,955. The hybrid iForce Max system adds $3,700 to the limited trim, which is reasonable considering the significant performance and efficiency improvements it provides. Premium trims like the Platinum start at $65,790, while the range-topping capstone reaches $82,895. The TRD Pro, with its exclusive features and hybrid powertrain, is priced at $74,660. When you consider the standard hybrid powertrain, advanced off-road equipment, and exclusive features, the TRD Pro represents a great value for serious off-road enthusiasts. But as much as the new Tundra is a fantastic truck, it's not like there are no excellent alternatives on the market. Check out this video about how the 2026 Ford F-150 wows everybody, which you can now see on the screen. The world's best-selling truck continues to push boundaries and set new standards when it comes to truck performance.